Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130 ULEZ Euro 6 needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 154,199. MOT, the 30th of November 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but the turbo will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air-con, sat-nav, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on